How to repair an orbit sprinkler. Your orbit sprinkler may need to be repaired for several reasons. The sprinkler may be knocked out of alignment or damaged by lawn equipment or foot traffic. The sprinkler's filter can become clogged with debris and restrict the spray. You may also need to adjust the watering radius and arc or rotation. Things you'll need: flathead screwdriver, shovel. Inspect the sprinkler for signs of damage. Lawn mowers and tractors can hit a sprinkler. So can people with their feet. Watch how water sprays from the sprinkler. If it appears restricted or misaligned, see steps 2 through 4. Clean the filter. Use a shovel to dig a hole around the sprinkler. Unscrew the sprinkler from the riser. Unscrew the cap and remove the cap and spring assembly from the sprinkler body. Remove the filter and flush it with water. If the filter looks damaged or is seriously clogged, you may need to replace it. Install a clean or new filter and reattach the cap and sprinkler assembly. Screw the sprinkler back onto the riser and then turn the water on to test it. Adjust the sprinkler's radius. The radius is the distance or flow of water emitted from the sprinkler. A distance adjustment slot is located on top of the sprinkler above the sprayer opening. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the opening and turn the screw inside it. Turning the screw clockwise will dial down or reduce the radius of water. Turning it counterclockwise will increase it. Adjust the sprinkler's arc or rotation. This step only applies to rotary or gear-driven sprinklers that move when activated. You can adjust the arc or number of degrees the sprinkler rotates. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn the pattern adjustment screw located on top of the sprinkler. A small plus and minus sign will be visible on either side of the screw. Turn the screw to the plus symbol to increase the arc or watering degrees. Turn it to the minus symbol to decrease the arc or watering degrees. The arc can be adjusted from 40 to 360 degrees. The screw will stop turning or you may hear a ratcheting sound when you have reached the maximum and minimum arc. Replace the sprinkler if it is damaged beyond repair. Dig a hole around the existing orbit sprinkler and remove it from the riser by unscrewing it. Install the new orbit sprinkler by screwing it clockwise onto the riser. Supply water to the new sprinkler to test its operation. Tips: warnings. Flush the supply line with water before reconnecting the sprinkler to the riser. This can help avoid clogging. Arc adjustments may require users to find the sprinkler's fixed right edge. This is the point where the sprinkler's turret does not move beyond. Activate the orbit sprinkler. Using the palm of your hand, turn the turret to the left and then to the right. The turret will stop or no longer move when you have found the fixed right edge. Turn the sprinkler body so the fixed right edge aligns with the desired watering stop or start point. Turn the pattern adjustment screw to make adjustments to the left edge. If the distance adjustment screw is turned too far, the screw and the nozzle may come out.